Hey there, dear customers, dear subscribers. This is Ison Company speaking. In this video, we're gonna take a look at one of the most powerful surveillance cameras in the category with sound recording. Ison 500Lca305-Xh model, 5 words in total. This camera, it possesses all of the most recent and advanced features and functionalities. The most technologically advanced on board as of the present time in the current moment. Here comes the most superior Sony Matrix, the absolute best AMX processor in the market. Sony Matrix is relevant, not a copy, but the original. Not real, not fake from AliExpress, you know. Currently 90% global market. Here's a 5-fold electronic zoom that you can control. Remotely from a tablet, from a phone, from a computer. Here's a 5 megapixel resolution, 2K, here's PoE, here's WDR, DNR, you know. All the most advanced technologies that exist in video surveillance, they're already on board here. Ison also has pre-made video surveillance systems. They're called Ison Mopro Zoom Max. These are ready-made kits that include all you need for these cams to function. This is a dash cam, a cable with connectors and power supply. All you need, a convenient option. Remove from box, plug into socket, it will function. Alright, let's talk about the specifications. Besides the camera, this is a traditionally original box. This is a set of instructions. Here are some hardware and protective caps. The camera is contained in a universal housing, allowing for installation both indoors and outdoors. If you put it outside, it looks elegant. IP66 protection, withstands any rain or snow. It also withstands temperatures from -60 to +55 degrees. People often inquire about buying a dome camera. Can Ison be mounted on the wall or not? Like that up. You can attach it to both the ceiling and the wall. Thanks to the fact that this dome in the middle rotates, you can point it wherever you need to. In assembly, this camera is nothing special. No diff from your standard cylindrical camera. Camera with PoE technology on board. Tech for transmitting power over single cable. On one hand, you connect it. Here on the twisty pair. On the other hand, the dash cam. If models, for example, Ryzen NVR04. So, we're talking about recorders with built-in PoE switches. And that's all you need to do. No need to pull another cable here, come up with additional power supplies. Here we have the convenient PoE technology on board. The camera also comes with WDR technology. This is a tech that solves the problem of poor or incorrect lighting at a location. Buying a surveillance camera without this tech is basically throwing money away because no matter where you put it. Camera, you're gonna have situations multiple times a day where the camera lens will catch sunlight or, on the contrary, cast a shadow. WDR tech solves this issue, by the way. This is the real deal, not some cheap knockoff or fake from AliExpress, specifically the authentic WDR tech, which will fix this issue on your device. Also, here's the 3DNR tech. It's a tech reduces noise, that is interference. In the conditions of night shooting, here we do night shooting using the latest generation of IK LED diodes, not the old ones. The problem with the R5 diode base, which is now installed in 90% of all cameras, is that burnout by the end of first year of use. The IR LED backlight goes up to 30 meters. The warranty period for all Ison surveillance cameras is 3 years. Have any questions? Ask. For inquiries about this camera, feel free to ask our managers. In comments under this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss out on new videos.